By the help of God, we own campground facilities in Zanesville, Ohio. It's called Hallowed Hills. Many great things take place on these campgrounds. People are getting saved. Christians are getting encouraged. The Word of God is preached. Young people have a good time during their camp sessions. So I want to tell you a little bit about Hallowed Hills and its history. My name is James Gators. I'm the diocesan of the Ohio District Council, the 3rd Episcopal District of the Pentecostal Assemblies of the World. The history of this great campground began in 1943. Bishop Fred Clark of Warren, Ohio. He was the diocesan. In fact, he was the first diocesan of the 3rd Episcopal District. He and Bishop Carl Smith, also Bishop Lewis from Cleveland, Ohio, and Bishop Ralph Bass of Dayton, Ohio, were coming from the north and then going west toward Columbus on Old Route 40. As the 4 bishops were on Route 40, they came close to Zanesville and they saw an old abandoned hotel. And all of them got the thought, we're looking for a place for our nursing facility, more centrally located, because the nursing home at that time was located in Warren, Ohio, way up northeast. And they got out of their vehicle and they began to walk around and visualize for themselves, and they were excited. They went in town and inquired, who owns this property, these acres of land? They found out that one of the local banks held the deed to this. Whoever owned it before couldn't handle it financially, and it went belly up. So with an agreement, a written agreement from one of the local banks, those gentlemen put earnest money down and started a year to raise the remaining funds to pay for it. Just before the year was completed, those gentlemen came back to Zanesville, Ohio, laid the remainder, the balance, on the desk of the banking officer, and picked up the deed. It belonged then to the Ohio District Council, and the vision began to gel in the hearts and minds of these bishops. They thought to themselves, we can have a nursing home right here outside of Zanesville, Ohio. And they were successful. The vision grew. They also thought, what if we can develop a campground for our young people? Not only for the small children, but also for young adults. And it took off and was successful. Those men, those early pioneers, were our predecessors. We would not be here talking the way we're talking if it wasn't for our predecessors. You talk about a legacy. They've left for us a good legacy. And God has helped us to build upon that legacy. This is the Ohio District Council Campground, better known as hallowed hills.
One people, one history, one future, one heritage, one legacy. Your contribution of $1 a day for 1 year. Your church's contribution of $100 a month for 1 year will help secure the legacy.